Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology 302.1409 BWW Comfort Meter User Manual. Specifications. Power up. Insert 2 AAA batteries into your comfort meter. Adjust time and date settings as necessary. Settings menu. Hold the temp set button to enter the settings menu. Use the humidity plus button to adjust values. Press the temp set button to confirm. Settings menu order. Temperature and humidity records. Press the temp set button to view high and low temperature records with time and date. Press the humidity plus button to view high and low humidity records with the time and date. Reset Helo records. Press the temp set or humidity plus button to view records. While viewing records, hold the temp set or humidity plus button to reset to current values. Indoor comfort indicator. The indoor comfort indicator is based on your indoor humidity. The arrow will indicate comfort level. Temperature humidity trend arrows. The temperature, 2 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius, and humidity, 3%, trend indicators update every 15 minutes. The trend reflects changes over the past 3 hours. Temperature or humidity has risen. Temperature or humidity has fallen. Low battery indicator. When the low battery indicator appears on the screen, replace the batteries in your comfort meter. We're here to help. Warranty info. Care plus maintenance. Do not mix old and new batteries. Do not mix alkaline, lithium, standard, or rechargeable batteries. Always purchase the correct size and grade of battery most suitable for intended use. Clean the battery contacts and those of the device before battery installation. Ensure the batteries have the correct polarity +/. Remove batteries from equipment that will not be used for an extended period. Promptly remove expired batteries. Warnings. Battery leakage. If the batteries are left in the device for an extended period, especially in high temperature or humid environments, they may leak. Electromagnetic interference. Keep the device away from electronic devices that might generate electromagnetic interference, as this can affect the accuracy of the readings. Calibration. Over time, the device's calibration may drift. Humidity sensor maintenance. If the humidity sensor becomes dirty or contaminated, it can affect the accuracy of the humidity readings. Temperature extremes. Avoid exposing the device to extreme temperatures, as this can damage the components and affect its performance. Water exposure. Do not expose the device to water or moisture, which can cause short circuits or damage. Drop or impact. Avoid dropping or impacting the device, as this can damage the internal components. Troubleshootings. Battery check. Ensure that the batteries are fresh and properly installed. Sensor placement. Make sure the device is placed in a location that is representative of the overall indoor environment. Calibration. If the readings seem inaccurate, try calibrating the device according to the manufacturer's instructions. Sensor cleaning. Clean the humidity sensor gently with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or contaminants that might be affecting the readings. Interference. If there are other electronic devices nearby that might be causing interference, try relocating the device to a different location. Power reset. If the device is unresponsive, try removing the batteries and reinserting them after a few minutes. Firmware update. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your device. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.